go down.
On your phone, and it has some slick features that I like. I used to use iMovie a lot, but with this coming out, I'm definitely deleting iMovie and just using this. So to get started, make sure you download it from either app store. It is free, so that's another good feature. But we're gonna open it up, and you'll probably get prompted to do tutorials or sign in. I would do both personally. Tutorial will just help you navigate around a little easier. Signing in will help you sync it with other CC products or the cloud, which is cool. So from here, we're gonna hit create new project. You have multiple sources: camera roll, moments, videos, photos, albums, audio, Creative Cloud, Dropbox, and the sample stuff. So for this video, I have some stock stuff in here, some screen recordings, and then a picture of these trees is what we're gonna use. So we're gonna call this YouTube. We're gonna hit it. It's gonna then import it into the project, and then we got it. So there's other features here. You can add titles to it, transitions from clips, colors, audio, splice it, make video shorter, cut out parts of the video like you would for YouTube. You could make it landscape, portrait, or square, whatever. So let's just do portrait for now. Looks like I recorded off an iPhone pretty much. So landscape. The real cool feature that I wanted to show and share with you guys is two things actually. So one, if you hit the bottom left hand white plus sign, you can hit voiceover and it'll add this extra layer down here below the video. And what you want to do is hit the red record button, and it'll say, hey, we are now recording. So on the right hand side, you can see the audio meter. So this is now a voiceover for this video, or just audio if you want to attach it to something else. So we're just going to stop this now, and bam, that's it. So when it exports, it'll have my voice over this video. And the other cool feature that I used to use iMovie a lot for is adding a video on top of this as well. This video that I'm making right now is actually made on here, so it's pretty cool. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit this little blue circle in the bottom left again. We're going to hit media. Let's go to sample media for this one. We're going to pick this dude that kind of looks like the Punisher. So we'll click this happy couple is going to look at some trees. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to select this. We're going to hold it. We're going to drag it to this layer above. And let's scoot this down. So let's make it kind of enter where this voice left off, around there. All right, and then bam. So now you have the video of this dude on top of these trees because they're so happy looking at trees. So we're just gonna move them here. Let's say we want to see more of her. We're gonna expand it and put it there. Now bam. Now this isn't the greatest video I would say for YouTube, but for a tutorial it works. So that's it. I mean, this is a pretty cool app. I'm definitely going to use it, and I probably will end up deleting iMovie for sure. The last cool thing I wanted to show you is you can actually make a video instantly. So if you were to hit the plus sign and then hit capture, this is me. So you would just hit record, blah blah blah, and it would throw it in there as well. So that's kind of cool. So we don't want this. So to delete something, you just hold it down, let it go, hit delete, and bam. And for some reason, if you didn't want, say, the audio for this video, if you scroll down here all the way, hit this little down arrow, it separates the audio from the video, which is cool. So you can actually just remove this audio from the video and just use this one down here if you wanted to. So that's a lot of features, like I said. Finally, if we wanted to export this, what we're going to do is in the top right, we're going to hit this little arrow, the up arrow in the box, and we're going to export it. There's different presets you can use. I'm going to keep it automatic for the time being, but if you're that big into quality, you can pick whatever you want. Export it, It's going to export it to your device. Make sure you don't close the app or lock your device. Don't even swipe down to view a text, because it will have to restart, which is, I mean, it is what it is. So we're going to let this finish, and I will be back once it's done. All right, guys, so we're back. It's finished. You know, we could share it with YouTube if we wanted to. We could actually publish directly to YouTube, which is awesome. Or you could just hit done and it's saved. And that's it. Nothing else here. If you have any questions, drop them down below and I'll answer them. Or if you want to see another tutorial on something else, just drop it down below.